Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach another line dance. It is called Lette'S. Do It Again 757. It is a one-wall dance, two parts in the bridge, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction, and if you're interested in dancing along to the music, watch till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Are you ready? Let's go. So it's a one wall dance and two parts. Part one, you're going to do at the front and back wall. Part two is till you do at the front and back wall. So you're doing each part twice, and then you do the bridge. So here we go. So we're going to run it up. Right, left, right. Lift, 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 and lift, lift. So we lift on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Lift, 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 lift. And we're going to do a coaster step on the left. So before we come down, lift, lift, left coaster step. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, lift. 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Coaster step on the left on 7 and 8. Then we're going to go out and up with the knee. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And before we come down, we're going to do a walk easy, half turn back for the coaster step on that left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the left shoulder come back. 5, 6 with a coaster step. 7 and 8. All right, so we went out and up with the knee, out and up. Before we came down, we came back, half turn, walk easy with a left coaster step. And that's all of part one. So let's put it together. So we ran it up, lift with the heel. Before we came down, on that left, we did a coaster step. Then we did out, tap up with the knee, tap up with the left knee, and walk easy, half turn with a left coaster step. Okay, that's going to bring us to the back wall. We're going to repeat that same part one. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, up, right. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, coaster 7 and 8, out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's all part one. So once we get turned back to this wall, we're going to run it up. 1 and 2, lift 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, coaster 7 and 8, out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, easy. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's all of part one. Okay, now part two, it's real easy. What you do on the front wall, you're going to do on the back wall. So we're going to roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, left, kind of like a push and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz square. Cross 5, 6, 7, tap on 8. So we cross right, tap left. Then we're going to do that push and pull with the hip again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That weight is on that back leg. And I'm going to walk around on that left. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. You guessed it. We'll do the same thing here. Push and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. My weight is on the back leg. I'm going to do that jazz square. Cross 5, left 6, 7, tap 8. Do that push and pull on the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4. My weight is on the back leg, and I'm going to walk around to my left. 5, 6, 7, and tap on 8. That's all of part two. Okay, so let's put it together. Part two. Push and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Push 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Push 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Push 1, 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So I'm walking to the left. Tap on my left, I walk left. Okay? So now let's put 1 and 2 together. So 1 is running you up, and 2 is you push and pull. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 goes to 7 and 8 out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, walk 5, 6, 7 and 8. Run it up again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left 5 and 6 goes to 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, walk 5, 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk left, right, left, tap, right, push. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that again. Okay? Now, we're going to do that. And remember, it's a one wall dance. We're going to do that 3 times. Repeat that 3 times. Okay? Then we're going to get to the bridge. So let's do the bridge. So the bridge is, and you'll hear it because the music changes, okay? And we're going to do the bridge on the front and the back wall. So it starts on the right. 1, 2. Hold here. 1 and 2. And your left up 3, back 4. Then we shuffle up. 5 and 6, up 7, 8. Then we shuffle again. 1 and 2, pivot 3, half 4. Shuffle on the left. 5 and 6, up 7, back 8. That's the end of the bridge. And we're going to repeat it twice. So yes, part 1 you do twice, part 2 you do twice, and the bridge you're going to do twice. Now what did I do? Hold up 1 and 2. Heel 1, step 2. Left 3, up 3, back 4. Then shuffle on the left. 5 and 6, up 7, back 8. Then shuffle on the right. 1 and 2, step left, 3, 4. And then shuffle on the left. 5 and 6, up 7, back 8. Then we start it over again. Now we're going to end on the right, then we're going to start on the right. Okay? We're going to end on the right foot and start on the right foot. 7, 8. It's 1 and 2. Up 3, back 4. On that left, shuffle 5. On the left, 5 and 6, up 7, back 8. Shuffle again. 1 and 2, half 3, 4, step pivot. Shuffle on the left, 5 and 6, up 7, back 8. And that's it. Then you start the dance over. 1 and 2. Okay, so let's put that bridge together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, left 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, right 7, back 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Step on the left, pivot half. And shuffle left. 3 and 4, up 5, 6, 7, and 8. I missed my place. Hold up. Let's do it again. 1, 2, up 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, up 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, up 7, back 8. Up 1, 2, left 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, up 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, up 7, and 8. Then you start over again from the top. So you're going to do 3 rotations. Part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, the bridge at the front and back wall, and then you go and start it over again. Part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, and end of dance. That's it. Lette'S do it again, 7, 5, 7. Make sure you watch the demo. Let's dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.